Dear friends, welcome. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about pada, a word. The word padartha is composed of two words, pada and artha. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about pada. What is meant by a pada? According to some definition, padam cha varna samuha. Padam cha varna samuha. A collection of letters is defined as a padam. So, this is a collection of letters. So, this can be defined, this can be called as a pad or word. But this is also a collection of letters. But we never call this as a word or a pada because it has no meaning. So, this definition is not a true definition. It has got the fallacy of ativyapti. That definition extends beyond this lakshya to this alakshya. So, this definition is not a true definition. Another simple definition of pada is Shaktam Padam. That which has got a Shakti is called a Padam. What is meant by Shakti? Shaktischa padena saha padarthasya vastu visheshasya sambandha. It is a relationship of the relationship of a word with the object designated by that word. It is a special kind of relationship between a word and the object designated by that word. Shaktischa padena saha padarthasya vastu visheshasya vasambandha. So, all the collection of letters is not designated as a pada or a word. Only that collection of letters which has a Shakti or a potency to generate a meaning is called as a Padartha. So, this collection of letters is called as a Padartha because it has a potency to generate a meaning. But this collection of letters is not designated as a pada or a word because it does not have a potency to generate any meaning. So, a true definition of pada is सशक्तः साभिप्रायो वर्णो वर्णसमूहो वा पदम. सशक्तः साभिप्रायो वर्णो वर्णसमूहो वा पदम. सशक्तः साभिप्रायो वर्णो वर्णसमूहो वा पदम. A single letter or a collection of letters that have a potency to generate a meaning is defined as a partha. A single word or a collection of letters that has a potency to generate a meaning is called a pada. So, this is the true definition of a pada. In this lesson, we have discussed three definitions of pada. One, Padam cha varna samuha, it is a faulty definition because it has the fallacy of ativyapti. So another definition of Shaktam Padam. Then we learn what is meant by Shakti. Shaktischa padena saha padarthasya vastu visheshasya sambhava. Shakti or the potency of a word is a special kind of relationship between that word and the sense or the object designated by that word. So a true definition of pada is sashaktaha sabhiprayo varno varna samuho va padam. A single letter or a collection of letters that has a potency to generate a meaning is defined as a pada. So we discuss what is meant by Shakti and what is the true definition of pada. In the next lesson, we will discuss about the various kinds of senses of a pada and various types of, and accordingly the various types of a pada. Till then, goodbye.